Good morning. Running out of sweet things in the house is panic mode. So today I'm making chewy chocolate chip cookies. Here are my ingredients. I'm gonna have 2¼ cups flour, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, ½ cup granulated sugar, 1 egg yolk and 1 whole egg, 12 tablespoons of butter, plus we have 1¼ cup of chocolate chips, 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine all of my dry ingredients in a large bowl. To whisk everything together. That's enough. Next, I will use a medium bowl to combine all of my wet ingredients, starting with my butter and brown sugar. Next, we add in our yolk and our whole egg. And finally, we add in our vanilla. Oh gosh, it smells delicious. So now we combine the ingredients and mix everything together. Our flour is almost all incorporated, so at this point I'll fold in my chocolate chips. So here's my dough. What I'll do now is put it in the fridge for 2 hours and then bake 1/3 of it, and the rest can stay in the fridge and bake as necessary. Hey, it's been 2 hours. Here's my dough. I just took it out of the fridge. So we're ready to get our cookies shaped. For the purposes of making them into balls, I have a tablespoon measured, and I will just scoop out about 2 tablespoons per cookie, and then gently turn it into a ball. And for tonight, I'm just gonna bake 8 cookies. Tomorrow I might bake more. We'll see how it goes. Okay, the rest of this goes back in the fridge, and we will bake some more tomorrow. So these go in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 18 minutes. And here they are. I'm going to top each one of them with some dark chocolate chips. They're extra chocolatey. And last but not least, we'll sprinkle some salt. This is coarse kosher salt. And we will let them rest for 10 minutes on the tray. No touchy. How is it?
Oh my god.
Enjoy. I made them for you.
I'm in heaven.
Excellent. See you guys. Thanks for watching.